Hey guys, welcome back to Region of Tech. So if you're looking for an easy way to install eSign on your iPhone or iPad and start sideloading IPA files, this is the only guide you need. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download and set up eSign without PC or jailbreak and install IPA files in just few steps. This works on all the iOS version including iOS 26. And guess what's the best part here? You will not face any revoke or blacklist problem ever. So without any further delay, let's start this video. So for that, firstly go to the link given in the description or in the pinned comment. Its name is Flex Store and it's the best sideloading tool available for iOS devices. So once you are here, click on get and then you will get interface like this. After that, click on share button on your Safari and then click on more if you are on iOS 26 and then add to your home screen. But before adding, make sure the open as web app is enabled, and if you want you can use this in your browser only. So once it's added to your home screen, open this and allow all notifications, and there you will see a lot of apps that you can install directly from here in just one click. But since we are going to talk about how to install eSign, we will just focus on that. So before installing eSign using this, we will need to set up it first. For that, go to the devices section and then click on add device. After that, click on allow and open your settings app. Then click on profile downloaded option at the top and install that by entering your passcode. Once done, you will get success page like this. Now open the Flex Store again, and now in the devices section you will see your device UDID and certificate premium accesses option. Now make sure you are getting green tick in front of certificate. For that, you will get three options under the certificate section. Those options are not visible on my iPad right now because I already set up it and it's just a one-time process. So let me show you those options on my iPhone instead. So as you can see here, you will get these three options. First one is getting developer certificate and premium directly from the Flex Store. Second, using Apple developer account if you have, and third one, using your own certificate. But here make sure the certificate you are using is in good signed condition and not revoked. But if you don't have any certificate, I'll suggest you to go with the first option, getting developer certificate and premium directly from the Flex Store. For that, just select the plan you want to go with and then click on buy now and enter your payment and billing details and make the payment. As soon as the payment is successful, you will get green tick in front of certificate and premium instantly, and the certificate you will get here will be your personal one and no one can use that instead you. So once you get green tick, click on download button under the certificate section here and then click on copy link. Now paste that link in any browser and download the certificate zip file. Once done, open the Flex Store again and then go to the signer option. Now here you will need IPA file of eSign that you will get on my Telegram channel. You can join that. The link is given in the description and in the pinned comment as well. So once you have IPA file, select that IPA file here and then click on sign app. After clicking on sign app, wait for the processing to be complete and then click on install app. After that, return to your home screen and there you will see eSign is installed successfully without any issues and it is working perfectly. Now before we try to install apps using eSign, we will need to set up it first, and for that we will use the certificate zip file that we downloaded from the Flex Store. Now click on three dot in the top right corner and then click on import and import the certificate zip file that we downloaded. After importing, click on that zip file and then click on unzip. Now you will get a folder. Open that folder and go to the readme.txt file and copy the password from there. Now go back and click on .p12 file and then click on import certificate management. Now it will ask you to enter the certificate password here. Just paste the password you copied and then click on OK. After that, your certificate will be imported successfully and you are ready to install apps using eSign. And as you can see here, it is working perfectly. No unable to verify or unable to install app error. So this was all about eSign, and if you want to install apps using app library or sources option of Flex Store, for that just open your Flex Store and select the app that you want to install from app library or the sources option. Once selected, click on sign app and then click on install, and on the home screen you will see the app has started installing, and after installation it will work perfectly as you can see here. And you can also get IPA file of the app directly from the Flex Store and install that using eSign as well. So that's all for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful, and make sure to subscribe Region of Tech to join our Artins family and share this video to the someone who might need it. Also, all the required links are given in the description and in the pinned comment as well. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye and stay safe.